I can't stop eating. I eat because I'm unhappy. And I'm unhappy because I eat.
Guys, so it's your girl Viola, and I am back with another prank for Andre. So, usually when I'm cooking food or when I cook food and it doesn't come out to my satisfaction, I always ask Andre how the food tastes, if it not too salt, if something gone wrong with the food. He's always like, Tiola, you're amazing. You're a good cook. Whatever you cook, I love. Whatever yada yada yada. So guys, tonight I am gonna test his loyalty. I'm cooking mashed potatoes, rice and peas, steak, and vegetables. So I have some seasoning that I know Andre don't like, and also some other stuff. I'm gonna add it to the food so it can be bad, so it can taste bad, right? To see if he will be honest with me or he'll continue eating that food and everything like it's nice just because he doesn't want to hurt my feelings. So, guys, he's in the other room. I told him to go in the room because it's gonna get smoky and all of that, and his asthma, just to get rid of him. Anywho, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. You see, is it from Andre getting with that prank? The one at the restaurant? Man, why him go do that? Why him go do that? So guys, stay tuned. Don't go away. Click that thumbs up and enjoy. I'm gonna make the food taste so bad. I'm gonna try my best not to kill my beautiful gorgeous husband whom I love so much. I'm not gonna kill him, guys, but I'm gonna make the food horrible. I'm gonna let it taste like cat food, like Cuddles cat food. I'm not gonna put Cuddles cat food in it, guys, but anyways, you get the point.
Why you always lying? Why you always lying?
Holy shit.
That's a house.
I think I'm here. Take your time, smiling face. Yes, how'd you get your text tone on my phone?
I can't stop eating. I eat because I'm unhappy. And I'm unhappy because I eat.
Seriously?
Monster?
You mind me sitting up front? I'm gonna put my bag in the back. I mean, I can go in the back. That's weird.
No, it's totally fine.
Weird. I mean, may I have seen that friend?
I am Claire, your orbit driver.
I am Carly, your passenger. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you want me to wait till the end?
Oh, no, I can do that.
Slightly salty at some point.
Take 54 minutes.
You're not from LA?
Salty.
No, I'm actually from Lompico, so they have this museum for her, and I would go a lot, and that's why I became a writer. Or I'm trying to become a writer.
And that's why LA.
Yeah.
But why not?
I don't know, I guess it was time. So I packed everything up and drove 1,617 miles to the ocean.
I love you. But I just realized what you're doing. I don't know what this prank is, people. I just saw the phone.
Oh my god.
Tiola is about to give me high blood pressure. What is in it? Paprika or paprika or?
We couldn't keep up, like, guys. Mr. Andrea go down in that rice. You see, I go down in the rice, you know. I made a wait. So in the rice, is something off with the rice. Like, wait, almond milk tastes good in rice and peas.
Almond milk is what?
And me kill it steak with spice. Me kill it with thyme, Cajun seasoning, oregano, all of that stuff that Andrea don't like. Guys, when I see Andrea digging at the plate, I couldn't help but I dead with laugh. But my cat is running around with his toy, right? So I have to be using it as a diversion to say, oh, I'm laughing at Cuddles because Cuddles is so funny. But wait, from the moment I sat here, I started laughing because I can't believe, say, you're still gonna eat. Where broccoli?
I ate it.
Andrea ate the broccoli, guys. Oh my gosh! Did you taste the mashed potatoes?
No.
Oh
Yes,
my
I did.
gosh!
So
what
the
it
rice,
taste like?
well, the rice was good. The mashed potatoes was salt. The broccoli was salt.
That's it. That's it about the mashed potatoes.
It's
That's
just
it?
very salty.
You like the mashed potato? Taste like my mashed potato?
It has an extra seasoning of some sort, like paprika or whatever it is.
You know what I put in the rice?
Do I have a real meal?
Babe, eat the food. Food tastes good.
Listen to the almond milk now.
But then, guys, we just couldn't keep up with this one. Like literally, I couldn't keep up with this prank because it was so funny. Because Mr. Andre literally eat off the broccoli. He doesn't like vegetables. I don't know how he even managed to eat off the broccoli. What did I put in the mashed potato again?
Poison.
The mashed potato not even mashed, guys. Like, it's not even mashed. It's clumpy. And they should know better that I do not serve my mashed potato clumpy.
Guys, Taylor spent a few hours in the kitchen and she provided a nice meal. I'm not gonna just call out and say, well, what the hell is this? The only reason I said something was because it was crazy salty. The rice was good.
The rice was good? Serious?
The only, like legit, the only thing I tasted different was this weird spice.
Yeah, the amount of almond milk my accidentally threw in the rice, babe. Like literally.
Okay, sorry.
And then the steak, I add some all sorts of seasoning on top of it. Oh snap, I forgot the peanut butter, guys. Like I was supposed to add peanut butter to the steak.
Can I get some real food?
Food done! Were you pranked?
I was, but after a while I'm like, no, this is just too bad. Something is off.
This is just too bad?
Yeah.
Well, everything just bad or just the steak?
No, everything was just bad. So it's like, initially when I was eating the rice, I didn't taste anything. And then after a while, it just got
But babe,
worse.
the rice wet.
It's not, it's normal.
The rice look wet.
It's not.
Unless the rice absorb the almond milk eventually.
No, the rice is good.
Oh my god.
And remember, this is like rice and peas, so like almond milk will be some form of like.
Oh yeah, Michelle, add some sugar or some more salt. Wasn't it salty?
Everything's.
Everything. Guys, it's the salt for me. I'm gonna fix you a nice, sexy dinner that you deserve. But man, that was funny. Do you have anything you wanna say?
I would have preferred to be around
But
the table.
babe, you eat half a good amount of steak, man. You eat out 2 forks of the rice. And all of the broccoli gone, guys. All of the broccoli. Anyways, I just gave him 1 piece of broccoli. Any finishing statement?
Can I have a meal?
But how you want to eat nice, sexy dinner and sit down and watch movie. Routine, eh? Routine. But at least you were honest, babe. I appreciate that because sometimes I think you're not being honest with me when it comes on to my food. So
You mean like yesterday? Did you try to prank me yesterday too?
no, yesterday I accidentally put too much salt in the food.
So people, you realize that it's superfood like a regular thing.
No. So, anyways, guys, thanks for doing this with me, cause you're the one who told me what to put on it. You're the one who helped me, and you guys didn't tell Andre anything. So, anything you wanna tell them?
Can I get some real food, please?
What you wanna tell them? What should you tell them before we go?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, guys. Because, man, things are about to get epic-er. Right, babe? You gonna prank me back?
Want some food?
Alright. Bye, guys. I'm gonna share his food. He's so hungry now.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?